was mutual admiration. And normally, yung stages ng relationship, it starts with MU, tapos magkakaroon ng romantic chuchu, gano'n. So, why did it not develop into something romantic? And how were you at the time when hindi kayo nag-work together? Kasi parang, the way I'm understanding is, okay naman kayo, pero hindi ko kayo nakita parang going out as barkadahan or something like that. How were you during that 4 years?
Strangers.
Actually,
We were strangers. Yeah, pag walang work, strangers. No, pero ganun eh. Parang for the past, sabi nila 10 years. 10 years daw. The past 4 films, kasama to. Parang, it has always been like that. And, ganun na kami nag-adapt sa aming mga buhay.
there's beauty.
There's beauty in distance. Oh, pero siguro, well, pwede kong sabihin yun at pwede kong sabihin, it just didn't happen. The timing, siguro yung choices namin individually, parang madaming pwedeng dahilan eh. So, diba? Siya, busy siya eh. Dami niya schedule eh.
So at this point in your life stage, can you say na have you finally found the one?
Yan, yan mas dapat mo sagutin. Pinasa, no? Mahirap kasi, di ba? Mahirap sabihin eh. Like, ako, hindi ko alam. Parang, mukha namang hindi pa. Kasi kung nahanap ko na, parang masasabi mo na yun. Di ba? So, ikaw.
Ako, only time will reveal, diba? Hindi, yun lang. Time will reveal.
Okay, and last na lang, kasi yung work, yung plot is related sa honesty, and then andun pa yung sa PR work, and you're in showbiz, wherein malaking bagay talaga yung PR. If you could recall some issues you had in the past na you think kailangan inayos ng PR nyo yung pag-handle, what do you think is that?
Wala ka bang ganun, direct? Ginayos ng star? Wala. Kasi hindi ako masyadong eh. I mean, nagpapasalamat ako lagi sa mga PR people na tumutulong sa amin because really, you guys play a big role in the business, in our industry. Pero it's not always perfect kasi may mga iba talaga na minsan, they just don't make sense. And wala kang magagawa, di ba? Parang hindi naman lahat ng bagay nag-make sense. There will be a few, na talagang wala lang silang sense and wala kang magagawa. It's a fact. And we need to coexist. So, ganun lang siya. Ganun ko lang siya tinatrato. Kasi, mahirap din, kasi gusto kong planchado lahat and pwede akong magnag sa management ko na ano ba yan, gusto ko ganito, gusto ko ganyan. But kung ganun ang gagawin ko, then parang wala na siguro magiging totoo sa buhay ko. So,
Ako naman po, sobrang talaga akong swerte sa manager ko, sa kung paano nila ako pag-ingatan. Unang-una sa lahat sa mga magulang ko. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi naman din magiging ganito yung growth ko bilang tao, bilang public figure. Of course, marami po kayong hindi nalalaman na mga mistakes na nagawa ko in the past or mga magagawa ko pa in the future. Pero, ayun, normal, tao lang siya. Kung magkamali man kami, yun na yun, di ba? Importante, ang importante, matuto kami sa mga mistakes namin. Yun.
Thank you and congrats. Sana 100 million left.
Target namin 1 billion.
Yes, okay, we have a question over here from Julian Mauricio. Julian?
Hello. So much of what we do here in
Mataas yung boss mo
showbiz.
pala pag may mic.
Hello.
So much of what we do here in showbiz kasi is make-believe, di ba? And picking up on Albert's question about honesty, how do the two of you stay real in a make-believe world?
Wow.
Paano yun, Sarah?
Honest Q&A.
Sa akin, hindi nag-a-apply yan because what you see is what you get. Yeah, I mean, life is too short. I don't want to live a boring life. Kaya, you know, I always follow my gut. I follow my desires. Kasi, yung takot ko eh. You only live once. It's true.
I'll get there. Wah!
Oo naman, no? Hindi naman ako habang buhay dito. Parang ang dami ko rin naman pinagdaanan bago ko nakarating dito.
Wala ka lang
Oo, so...
matters sa buhay.
No, ang importante is you know your truth, yung may mga codes tayo sa buhay natin eh, and yun lang kailangan mong protektahan, yung core values mo, yung sa tingin yung paniniwala mong tama at mali, kanya-kanya yun eh. So hangga't protektado ko yun, okay lang ako.
Ako na ba, Alex? Ako talagang siguro through time natutunan kong kasi hindi talaga ako mamaboka eh. Kaya pag nakikita niyo ako sa The Voice, hirap na hirap ako magsalita kasi hindi talaga ako masalitang tao. Hindi ako, lalo na nung nag-uumpisa ako, hindi ko sasabihin kung nasasaktan ako. I mean, physically or emotionally, kung nahahablot na ba yung nasabunutan na ako or natatanggal na yung piligmat ako, hindi ko yan sasabihin sa nag-aayos sa akin kasi nga, hindi talaga ako masalita. So ngayon lang, nung nag-umpisa ako maging coach sa The Voice, eto naman, as in, direct, kung napapansin yata ng director ko, wala na akong preno. Alam mo yun, direct, kasi ganito. Parang, wow, Sarah, konting ano naman, preno naman dyan, or konting ano, di ba? So, yun yung binabalanse ko ngayon, yung
Sa start yan.
yung
Yung journey mo to freedom, dyan nagsistart.
o di good. Ay, di ayos.
Yeah,
So,
ayos yan.
so yun. Yun yun nata yung natulong ng show sa akin. Speaking my mind.
Yes.
For John Lloyd, marami kasing young actors these days na when they're studying acting, they watch a lot of your films, pinag-aaralin nila yung performances mo. How does that make you feel na ikaw ang nagiging benchmark ng mga nagsisimula ngayon sa showbiz?
Hindi na.
Parang personally tingin ko hindi nila dapat pag-aralan yung ginagawa ko. Honestly, kasi parang hindi yata yun tingin ko lang opinion ko lang to, and sinasabi ko lang guys sa konteksto ng tanong mo, parang I would want to see the young generation like working so hard, living a life na geared towards originality and self-expression, and yung identity nila, yung persona nila yung aangat more than anyone, more than anything. Kasi only then you can see, you know, yung young generation na talagang alam mong seryoso sila sa pinasok nila, na hindi lang parang, kasi that's the easier way. Yung meron kang sundan, meron kang peg, parang ewan ko, kasi siguro hindi ko rin maya advice because hindi ko rin naman siya in-apply sa sarili ko noon. Parang I would want to see them na talagang working, like dying to be original.
Pero siguro kasi from their perspective, ang imbes na gayahin talaga how you act, ang napupulot nila from you is the dedication, the amount of hard work that you put into your role. Siguro yun ang mas nagagaya nila rather than your actual process, I think.
Well, kung ganun, okay yun. Pero kasi kung sinasabi mo is pinag-aaralan yung mga pelikula ko, yun kasi kung sa ganung konteksto, parang I can't really say na nag-a-agree ako.
Kasi you would rather they forge their own path talaga.
Oo naman. Tsaka kahit naman sa isang role, parang isipin mo kung ako nag-portray ba ako ng isang gay character, ibig mo bang sabihin, sapat na yung nanood ako ng mga gay themed na movies. Parang Hindi eh. You have to find its heart. Ikaw lang yung makakagawa nun, on your own. It's a special journey. It's a privilege na hindi lahat ng tao nabibigyan, na you get to live somebody else's life. Can you imagine how beautiful that is? That's a privilege eh. Hindi naman lahat ng tao nabibigyan ng ganung opportunity. So, why mess it up with, infusing yung mga ways na, alam mo, parang napaka-superficial eh. So parang, di ba, parang ako, I would really want them to see na may ibang paraan na mas authentic, na mas mag-i-enjoy ka. Yun. Without being too preachy about it or parang ayoko naman magmukha na parang ini-impose ko sa kanila yung tingin ko. Pero I know this process they will enjoy. Kasi yung discovery, endless yun eh. Endless yun. So parang, di mo ba yun gugustuhin kaysa dun sa kutakot-takot na peg yung pinanood mo? Yun.
Thank you. Last question for Directed.
Yes.
Directed, kanina kasi you talked a little bit about working with, what it's like to work with more experienced and intelligent actors. Pero ano specifically yung ginawa mong adjustment going into this movie? Kasi yung una mong dinirect na movie talaga was Vincent Catherine James, na bagong combination si Joshua and Julia at the time. Ito, matagal na sila magkasama. Ikaw personally, anong adjustments ang ginawa mo?
Yeah, so that you said it right. Dun sa previous movie ko, there was no image, there was no brand, there was no expectation. So the freedom to create the image of the love team is more limitless. This time, ang pinaka-challenge, like what you said earlier, is you cannot veer away too much, because at the end of the day, this film is for the fans and for the movie-going public who enjoy the team-up of Sarah and John Lloyd. So the only thing that that I'm challenging here, and the creatives are challenging here, is to provide a new story and a new flavor. Meaning they should be familiar, yet they provide something new naman. Hindi lang necessary in terms of character, whether in terms of acting, whether in terms of the theme of the story, whether in terms of the look, so in other words, lahat naman yun, ang tawag nito, lahat sa film naman, hindi lang naman yun iisa, diba? Hindi naman siya solely direction or acting or cinematography. Medyo maraming elements sa isang pelikula, diba, na kailangan kung as a director, kung orchestra conductor ako yung nagko-conduct. So in other words, yun yung pinaka-main difference. This time, I'm coming in a project na may pinanggalingan na, and I have to provide something new, yet something familiar. Sobrang paulit-ulit, but that's really the challenge in making this movie. Thank you, Julian.
Thank you, Directed. Our next question will come from Kate Adahar of Random Republica.
Hi, Sarah and John Lloyd. Coming from the three movies, how different are your characters here from Miggy and Lyda? How would you describe it?
Si Miggy, sobrang marami rin silang similarities, especially sa family background. Pero si Miggy mas conflicted siya. Ito mas malinaw kasi yung track nito eh. Mas malinaw yung track ni Rafi. Hindi siya kasing komplikado ni Miggy, tsaka hindi siya kasing galit sa mundo. Medyo galit sa mundo si Miggy eh. Na parang talagang legitimate child. So parang hindi accepted, so medyo malalim talaga. Ito hindi. It's just it's just his PR world and kung bakit siya nakarating doon. Yun. Malinaw yung mga conflicts niya. And yeah. Tsaka this guy can dance.
Thank you.
Hello, check. How different is my character from yung trilogy
Yung
na ginawa
personality,
namin. Si Lyda kasi naive eh. Ang edad niya doon is mga early 20s. Tapos high school pa lang, crush na niya si Miggy Montenegro. So, hanap natin.
Yun yung marami kang may mga posters.
Oo, medyo parang na-obsess. Medyo sobrang yan,
Baliw, baliw.
medyo, oo. So, yung character ko naman as April, mas, same age kami, 29. She's in a relationship. Pareha silang, idealistic ba? May pagkaganon. Pero si April kasi, open siya sa reality. Ganon.
Compare.
Basta sabihin mo sa akin yung totoo, okay lang ako, kakayanin ko yan. Basta magpakatotoo ka lang sa akin. Parang ganon eh. Pero pag once na nakaset na yung mind niya na ito yun, walang makakabago nun unless sabihin mo sa akin yung totoo. Yun, parang ganun yung pagkakaintindi ko.
Thank you. And in real life na lang, you both have big fans. So, sino celebrities you would consider yourselves big fans of? Yun na. And
Dito sa
idolize or local or international?
Ikaw muna, Lloyd.
Sarah.
Wow! Talaga naman
Bukod
love
sa
tayo
kanya.
ngayon,
Hindi.
Tayo lang din.
Hindi.
Buhatan ng bangko eh. Sige nga, patabi nga ng konti para napinta lang.
Sino ba? Ikaw, sino? Oh. Paano ba ito?
Ako sa mga singers, Miss Regine Velasquez, Miss Lea Salonga, Tito Gary, Tito Martin, Miss Lani Masalucha.
I'm a big fan of Irma Adlawan sa plays at saka sa movies niya. Pero mga kaibigan kasi parang kaya love your own sina Ronnie Lazaro, so mga kaibigan so parang medyo pakinggan. Internationally, sino bang para sa akin talaga True Rock talaga, I'm a big Daniel Day fan. Yeah. Daniel Day-Lewis. Oh.
Si Lincoln.
Si Lincoln. Oh. Yeah, yun.
Thank you.
Good choice. Our next question will come from Gemma Villanueva of Orange TV.
Hello. Hello po. Orange Magazine. John Lloyd Sara. Personally, ano yung reasons? Kasi I believe, totoo naman na super blockbuster yung tatlong movies niyo together. And bakit mas pinili nyo ang new story? Is it because natatakot ba kayo na magsawa na yung tao? Or gusto nyo lang ng new challenge?
I think, alam mo, on the contrary, mukhang mas challenging kung itutuloy namin yung kwento na kasi may finality na eh. So parang pagka tinuloy pa namin, parang ang takot ko
They're
doon
predictable.
tsaka baka mapilit na. So yun yung takot namin doon actually. So pero hindi ibig sabihin na coming up with a new story is less challenging. Hindi rin eh. Kasi mahirap din talaga, especially pagkagaling ka sa well-established na kwento.
So kung sakali na magkaroon ulit ng bagong story na ibibigay for Miggy and are you still willing to do that?
Ako, the challenge is the challenge is for the creative team to actually come up with a story na talaga pwede kami mag-commit. Kasi kung meron namang kwento na pwedeng puntahan and kaya namin gawin, hindi ako mahirapang mag-commit eh.
For this new movie, are you okay din ba na maging trilogy rin siya? Or you want it as is lang na new movie lang?
Alam mo,
Ako mas gusto ko bago naman na.
Puro bago na.
Actually, yung mga pelikula naman namin sumasabay sa edad namin. Di ba? Ewan ko lang sa'yo, pero ako
ako naman, no? Oo.
Joke lang, parang
Totoo
mag-light
kasi,
lang.
totoo talaga. Dahil, especially yung last part na itong movie na to talagang made me question myself even further. Ang daming mga tanong na nabuksan. So, totoo. Nakaka-relate talaga sa edad ko.
Last question. Would you consider each other as the one that got away?
Hindi ako naniniwala na nakawala na siya. Di joke lang. Hindi ko nabanggit yun about her. hindi ko tingin ko hindi siya totoo.
Hindi rin po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gemma. At excited na ang buong mundo para sa Finally Found
Galaxy.
Someone in the universe. And meron din tayong mga kaibigang press mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo, like sa Europe, Middle East.
Live stream ba yan?
Yes.
Talaga? Oh, hello guys!
And gusto nilang itanong, no? Particularly si Iris Eden Beliesa of Gulf News from Middle East. For Sarah, you are more associated with dramatic and romantic comedy movies. What other film genre do you want to explore as an artist?
Wow, wala naman pong particular na genre. Ako basta gusto ko lang yung konsepto ng pelikula that will make a difference, no? Big impact sa buhay ng tao. Hindi lang gumawa ng pelikula just for the sake of earning money or, di ba? Gusto ko yung may aral na mapupulot, inspirasyon na mapupulot yung mga manonood. Yun lang.
Very well said. From
Very well said.
Genie of Nova Cinemas for Lloydie. Lloydie, please describe Sarah in 3 words.
I adore her.
Wow! Sabi ko sa'yo, love team kami ngayon eh!
No, totoo naman. She's totally adorable.
Agree.
Oh, di ba?
And then,
Baka siyang
from Jeka of Kabayan Weekly, was there any message that you liked from this movie that has personally left you reflecting from your own life? Sa inyong dalawa, meron bang naiwan na message itong pelikulang to?
Oh, yung honesty is the best gift you can give someone. Yan talaga. Ikaw, Lloyd.
Ako yung yung acceptance yung acceptance na issue. And parang how to move forward. Diba? Parang at one point you need to move on. You need to move on.
And last question, do you have any message to our OFWs in the Middle East and sa ibang bahagi na rin ng mundo? Any message?
Salamat. Thanks for the time, guys. Kung nasan man kayo ngayon, namimiss kayo dito. Namimiss kayo sa Pilipinas. And grabe, we salute to what you do, especially sa pagtulong nyo sa industriya namin. Sa industriya ng sining, ng pelikula. Napakalaki ng role nyo in making our films global. So, maraming salamat and sana panoorin nyo to.
Yun.
Sarah?
Yun, sobra na po kami excited na ibahagi itong storya na ito, itong napakagandang storya na ito sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Yung kitulad na sinabi ni Lloydie, without you po, hindi naman makakarating dyan yung trabaho na talagang dinagyan namin ng dedication, ng talagang hard work, ng puso. So, maraming salamat po. Sana po ma-appreciate ninyo itong pelikula ito. Yeah.
Thank you. And we are down to our last question. And that will come from Jude Cartalaba of Uniquely Pinoy. Jude?
Instagram na siya.
Insta
Insta
question.
Good afternoon. Congratulations on your new film. I'm just based on your characters when you dawn on your characters. Anong character traits ang nakikita niyo sa bawat characters ninyo na nakikita ninyo sa future husband or future wife?
Ayun nakikita namin, character traits na
Let's say character trait ng character niya.
na nakikita po namin sa magiging future partner namin.
Him as John Lloyd, not as his character.
His character.
His character. Kulit, no? Yes, family-oriented. Saka, kasi pa ako eh.
Ako, I like that her character, si April, kahit na sabihin mong may pagka-idealistic and naive siya, she is her own person. And papanindigan niya kung ano yun. Individual. So, napaka-strong nung sense of individuality. So para sa akin, I would want my future wife to have that.
Ako, meron na. Yeah. Ano siya eh, selfless. Yun. Kasi kaya niyang i-sacrifice yung sarili niyang happiness, yung his own truth para lang sa ibang tao, sa mahal niya sa buhay. So, ganun siya protective of the person he loves, he values. Yan.
Okay. I wanna go back dun sa honesty thing na sinasabi ninyo. We know na pag humarap tayo sa truth sometimes can be so hurtful. How far can you take the truth? And when will you snap out of it? Yung tipong, syempre, di ba parang, ang sakit-sakit ng sinabi niya. Tapos, hanggang kailan ka mag-grieve or hanggang kailan mo i-dwell yung truth na yun, yung hurtful truth na yun, or yung ano mang sinabi ng tao. And then you move on.
The sooner the better, I guess. I mean, diba, you can only allow yourself to be hurt for a time na pwede kang matuto, diba? Pwede mo ma-appreciate kung ano man yung hindi nangyari, at ma-appreciate mo, meaning matuto ka from it, diba? Bakit ba hindi siya nangyari? Maybe it's not for the best, maybe it's not meant to happen. And then you just have to pull yourself up, and you need to move on. Kasi the longer you dwell, the uglier it gets, I think. And yun nga parang nasasayang, nakakapanghinayang because there's so much beauty in so many things. So kung mag-dwell tayo ng masyadong matagal, kala mo grabe yun. Practice what you preach, John Lloyd. Grabe, pero my daytime self will tell you this. Gusto tayo mamayang gabi, baka iba yung sabihin ko sa'yo.
Yun siya. Hindi, di ba? Hindi mo matimpla eh.
But, alam mo, lahat sila importante because lumalabas sila sa bibig ko. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, iba yung sabihin ko mamaya. Hindi rin ito. Pero yun, di ba? Ideally, syempre pagka hindi mo masasabi ang totoo, especially when you're hurting really bad, syempre hindi mo masasabi kung kailan mo kakayanin na bumangon na at, makisalumuha na sa tao because ang totoo ayaw mo. But you have to allow yourself to grieve.
Yes.
Ikaw na, that's your cue. That's your cue.
Oo, proseso yun po eh, di ba? Wala namang makakapagsabi na hindi mo naman po pwedeng, hindi ako naniniwala dun sa sinasabi nila, bigyan mo ng deadline or timeline yung grief mo or yung suffering, yung pain. Talagang pagdaanan mo lang. Kasi dun ka makaka-recover pag pinagdaanan mo na eh. Diba? At saka, everything happens for a reason. Doon naman papasok yung everything happens for a reason. Diba?
Sarap kaya ng pain. Inuulam ko yun sa kanin eh.
Actually, medyo masarap siya minsan.
Oh! Tsaka natin pag-usapan kailan makaka-move on. Doon muna tayo sa pain.
Actually, ang daming nakarelate.
Grabe naman yung last question mo.
At saka,
A way to end the Chicon, no?
medyo addicting ang pain. Minsan, di ba?
Wow, Sar! Grabe! Ayan na siya!
Ma-hashtag. Ayan, ito yung exciting.
Mema lang.
We are going to give away 2 Oppo power bank with earphones. Ayan, courtesy of Oppo Selfie Expert.
Yes, syempre no other than Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Please
to
do
draw
the
the
honors.
names of our winners.
Albert.
Ayan.
Our first lucky winner is
Si Alang Pain Kai.
Albert.
Sige ito.
Albert.
Ayaw mo po bono naman. Kate.
Gary Ann Lastrilla.
Gary Ann Lastrilla of Push.com. Congratulations.
Siya may isa pa.
And our next winner is, your prayers have been answered.
Ted Buburon.
Ano ba sa directed mo pala?
Ted Claudio.
Ted Claudio, congratulations.
Congrats. Yung prize po natin, ito makiklaim natin dito sa...
Okay, sure. Yes. Okay, any message to our friends
Party
from
shots
our
before we end.
friends from the press, Directed?
Ayun, first, sobrang thank you for an afternoon of enlightenment. Parang beauty contest yung mga tanong. Pero sobrang salamat, and we're hoping that you also help us, promote the movie, and yun. Salamat po.
Thank you. Our writer, Miss Jillian.
Ayun, kalimutan niyo po muna yung mga problema niyo. Sandali, samahan niyo po kami tumawa at kiligin sa July 26. Thank you po for coming.
Sarah?
Thank you po. Muli po, maraming salamat po for joining us this afternoon. At sana po, tulungan niyo po kami supportahan itong movie na ito. Finally Found Someone on July 26.
Yes, maraming salamat for your time, guys and girls. Maraming salamat po. Sana you can help us. Help us tell your friends and your followers that we have this film. So sana huwag niyo palampasin.
Thank you so much, mga kapamilya. July 26 is the big day for Finally Found Someone. And we'd like to thank our friends, Biojessic para tuloy ang alaga. Biojessic agad. Great taste. Bello and Village. And Oppo. Thank you so much, mga kapamilya. See you